You're very welcome back to the programme, and time now to go over to Brian Finn for the day's business news. Brian.
Thank you, Keelan. Enterprise Ireland is running an event today to showcase some of Ireland's high potential start-up companies. These are the entrepreneurs of the future, and their projects range from the high-tech to manufacturing and medical sectors. Enterprise Ireland provides some funding to help them along the way.
So these are not grants, these are investments. For the Competitive Start Fund, we put in 50,000, but we take a 10% equity stake in the business, so it's a bit like Dragon's Den. For the larger investments, we co-invest with other investors. And yes, it's always a kind of an equity type investment, or if the business is successful, we convert into equity. If the business isn't successful, it's actually a loan that's repaid over a long period of time.
Here in studio is the founder of one of the companies who will be showcasing at today's event, Ciara Clancy of Beat Medical, a pioneering medical startup company. Ciara, you're welcome. First of all, what does Beat Medical do? Tell us.
Beat Medical it develops technology solutions for people with Parkinson's. So we harness the improvements in technology to improve the way patients with Parkinson's are treated, assessed and monitored. Really, our aim is to make life living with Parkinson's easier.
And how does it achieve that? Is this through some form of technology?
Yeah, so we use a software solution through an app. We also have a hardware solution in development of a wristwatch. So what it does is it individually assesses the patient daily and individually prescribes treatment from there to optimise their care. Additional features of medication reminders and things that are required in the day-to-day life of living with this disease are provided through our solutions.
When did you start up the business and when did you come up with the idea, first of all?
So really, I was working as a physiotherapist. I saw the impact that Parkinson's had on not only the patients but the families of the patients with Parkinson's, and I wanted to do more for the people that I treated. So it was 12 months ago that I brought together a cross-functional team of medical and tech expertise working side by side at the moment to drive this change to improve care.
And how much help did you get along the way in starting up a business? It's not an easy task.
I certainly think with any business there's a lot of assistance and advice that anyone would require beginning any business venture. And from our perspective, Enterprise Ireland have been extremely helpful in this perspective in giving us support from the beginning, particularly around the mentorship and advice. One of our key mentors around the female entrepreneur arena of Enterprise Ireland is Jean O'Sullivan. And she's been great just in the sense of supporting us and advising us and giving us the right advice at the right time. Female entrepreneurs in Ireland and in this tech sector are really underrepresented at the moment. And I would encourage any female entrepreneur in this area at the moment that wants to push their company to be the success they want it to be and to scale their company to look to Enterprise Ireland for that kind of support and assistance to, I suppose, drive their company forward.
Is the business up and running now, or are you just at a trial stage?
It is up and running. We plan to launch sales in August, but at the moment we're at our user trial stage, which is, there is a social impact to what Beat Medical does, and I think from working in a startup, seeing the impact that your product can have through your user trials is extremely motivating and extremely exciting to see patients come in day to day and see the impact that product is having.
And very quickly, what are you hoping to achieve from today's event?
So this high potential startup event is really showcasing the best of Irish startups in Ireland over the last 12 months. For any startup, networking and meeting investors to help scale your company globally is extremely important. And this event provides us with that. So really I'd encourage anyone who's interested in the startup arena in Ireland to come down and meet the exciting companies that are on show today and speak to us more about our work in the Mansion House.
Okay, Ciara Clancy of Beat Medical, thank you very much for coming in, and the best of luck with your business.
Thanks very much.